Kurumirira riboti iria irekereirio ni kamiti ya ihinda ya uthuthuria iguru rigie mathomo ya kwendekithia urugamiriri wa mathomo gucokio kuri thirikari nene. Kanju ya Mangabana ni Ireganite na Ikinya riri na njira nene.
Efforts by counties in transforming the devolved education functions assigned to them by the Constitution. Having gone through the full report, its recommendations and the negative impact it poses on to devolution, we as a council reject in total.
Kugerera Muikariri igitiho kanju ino ya Mangabana ana Waiguru uria uheanite ndumuriri yao agwite riboti ino ni ya kunyarara wiheani wa thirikari cia matura hari gwikirira githomo akiuria kima kia arimu kina kunyitanira na thirikari cia kaunti hari kuregana na Riendekithia riri.
Reject in total the recommendations by the Working Party on education as they undermine the basic structure and framework of the management of education by the counties. Further, we call upon the Kenya National Union of Teachers to support the spirit and letter of the Constitution.
Kanju ni Ireganite na Riendekithia ria Igii ria kigina kuri thirikari cia matura na riria riendekithĩtie thirikari ici gũthikĩrwo mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 398.14 mwaka-inĩ wa kĩgĩna wa 2024-2025 makĩendekithia gũthikĩrwo mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 450.
Treasury have submitted their recommendations on the vertical revenue sharing for the financial year 2024-2025. The projected shareable revenue for the financial year 2024-2025 amounts to Kenya shillings 2.958.6 billion, out of which the council rejects the CRA proposal of 398.14 billion.
Waiguru agĩtĩte kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩkĩo gĩkũhũthĩka harĩ gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra ngũrani cia thirikari cia matura arĩ hamwe na kũng'ethanĩra na kwambatĩra kwa ngarama ya mũtũrĩre hamwe na ũramati wa mabarabara.
Instead, the council proposes at a minimum that the county equitable share to be Kenya shillings 450 billion for the financial year 2024-2025. This will factor in adjustment for the revenue growth, adjustment for inflation, and the Road Maintenance Levy Fund RMLF projected allocation of 10.52 billion shillings.
Kanju ino ya Mangabana ni sakaite gucerithĩrio gwa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa marukagĩrwo magĩkorwo maigĩirwo thirĩ wa ciringi bilioni 81.8 bilioni 17.48 irĩ cia kaunti 24 cia mweri wa Novemba mwaka mũhetũku, nacio bilioni 30.84 na bilioni 32.76 cirĩ cia mweri wa Dithemba na mweri ũyũ kũrĩ kaunti ciothe 47.
That we are 3 months on average in arrears. As of 19th of January 2024, which is today, the National Treasury has yet to disburse a total of 81.08 billion shillings to counties as per the disbursement schedule approved by the Senate.
Haneto getigane na icio cia county na riu